Hi everyone, I'm Abishang and welcome to today's video on cooking mandazi, which you can enjoy as a snack and also use during breakfast. So let's get started. Our today's ingredients that we are going to use are sugar, flour, cardamom, yeast, baking powder, some warm water, cooking oil, and finally a small basin which we are going to use in mixing our ingredients to make the dough. We are going to start with putting the flour in the mini basin. And now we are in our next step, which will be adding our spices in the flour and give it a stir to make sure that everything is well mixed, and then add the warm water little by little as you stir. Next, we are going to add some oil to our dough and continue stirring. I'm done with the stirring. I'm just going to cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes as I clear the space and prepare it for the next steps. Guys, I'm back and our dough progress is good, and now we are going to jump into our next step since the dough is ready. I'm just going to knead the dough and make sure that everything is clean in the mini basin. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to roll the dough into a log. As you can see, I'll then divide the dough into pieces, and then I will make some ball shapes. Here are the balls that I made. I will be rolling each ball to make a circle, and then I'll cut the circle into 4 pieces to make triangle shapes. So my next step will be putting the pieces I cut into the already hot cooking oil and let them cook. So guys, our mini mandazi are ready. They are very soft and they taste so good. Yeah, so you can enjoy them as a snack and also for breakfast. Yeah, hope you love the video guys. So remember to like, comment and subscribe if you are new, and let's meet in the next video.